What is up, guys? In today's video we are just going to just drive around these trucks that I just upgraded, and yeah, so we should start with this one. Can't see anything. So yeah, let's go over here. I'm watching Sir Monster right now, so if you hear him, that's my TV. This is probably my second favorite car that I've made, that I've built. I really like it. I really like the rims too. And we're trying to get another house if we can find one. Wait, I need to upgrade something right here. You should be together right now. Okay, good. Oh my god. I wish they used to upgrade. I wish they should upgrade that one. They should actually upgrade that one. Because that's a good house. They just need to upgrade it, kind of. Yeah, we're just trying to look for a house right now. But let's see over here, up here. I don't think I want a farmhouse though. Let me check it out. Need me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me. I wonder what's up here. Okay, pretty big garage, not gonna lie. Okay, bathroom. Bedroom. Guest bedroom, kid bedroom, I guess. Another kid bedroom. Okay. I saw some stairs right here. I don't know what they mean though. I wonder what's in here. Ooh, I like this. Yeah, okay. I don't think this is my style though. If I park right here and you imagine all my other trucks, I don't think I would like that. Meet me, baby. Call my phone and say you need me, JD. Wait, should I go camping here? Oh, that would be a nice camping trip. I get the boys on. If I get the boys on right now, we go camping together. Okay, I think I'm gonna go get my other truck, because this one has like something wrong with the steering right now, so. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go get into my other truck. Meet me, baby. Call my phone and say we daddy. Should I drive this truck? This truck. Not this truck. Now. Go get it. That's bought. That's already bought. I heard that there's a couple houses over here actually, so I'm gonna go check them out. Oh, here it is. I found this one on the internet. It looks exactly like mine, so I don't think it. This is the last house that I'm probably gonna go to. This is kind of like the other one. I don't think I want it. Okay guys, I think that's the end of the video. So, as always, well, not sort of this is my first video, but I'm gonna say, as always, peace.